Hey everyone, Ostercruiser here. If you love riding with your crew, you're going to want to know about the Vibe Universal Communication System, your ultimate companion for staying connected while you ride. Whether you're chatting, listening to music, or keeping track of your crew, this system has you covered with top-tier connectivity and versatility. Let's dive in. One of the best things about the Vibe communication system, it's super easy to install, no tools required. It's compatible with most BRP helmets, including the Can-Am Pyra and Exome helmets. So you'll be set up and ready to roll in no time. For more detailed instructions, check out the How to Install Vibe Universal video at the link below. The Vibe system connects in just one click with other mesh riders and is fully compatible with the Sena mesh network. Once you're in, you get an open mesh intercom with 9 communication channels, allowing you to chat with up to 24 riders. Yep, your whole squad stays in sync. Not only that, you'll enjoy an incredible amount of talk time of more than 15 hours at 20 degrees Celsius, or 8 hours in freezing minus 18 degrees Celsius conditions. Plus, with a 2 kilometer, 1.2 mile intercom range, you won't have to worry about losing track of your crew. Imagine this, you're on an epic off-road adventure, winding through trails, and suddenly you spot an obstacle ahead like a fallen tree. Instead of stopping or shouting, you just hop on your comms and let everyone know. No confusion, no delays, just seamless real-time communication. And thanks to premium sound by Harman Kardon, every word is crystal clear. To make things even easier, you can manage everything directly from the free BRP GO app. Check battery levels, change the device language, adjust settings, it's all at your fingertips. So grab your Vibe communication system, connect with your crew, and get out there. Whether you're hitting the trails or cruising with friends, Vibe keeps you connected every step of the way.